Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Quality Talks. So let's have some quality discussion today. So today we're gonna learn how to log a bug. Let it be in any tool, but we're gonna take example of Jira. So I have already made it clear in my 10 tips for testers video. It is my first tip that you log a bug in detail. You should respect a bug you are logging. So I think let's take an example and go for the today's video. So today's example is a movie ticket booking application where a tester found a defect that when he or she tried to book multiple seats, it is getting failed. The 500 internal server error is thrown on the web page with some error in the description. So let's see how to log the bug. So when logging a bug, a title is the first part. So your title should be so attractive and so communicative so that a next person, a developer, should understand what the bug is. So in our case, when we are putting title, before putting title, we're gonna write a story number. Generally, this is the concept followed in every company, that they put a story number so that a SCRUM Master, when filtering the bugs, he will see or she will see the bug from the story number rather than putting another filter of story. So our story number, and we say received 500 internal server error when tried booking for multiple seats. So your title should give a logical conclusion that what is the failure actually. So I think this will give a clear concept that 500 internal server error is thrown when tried booking multiple seats. Now let's come to the description. Your descriptions, in many scenarios you will find you can't think about what the description should be. So that time think about the requirement. I did the same thing here. I just said in the description, a customer should be able to book single or multiple seats at a time. Now let's move to the steps to reproduce. So when you are writing steps to reproduce, remember you have prerequisite yes or no. So in my case it is no, but if your case it is prerequisite is there, you should write prerequisite. Now in our case, what are the steps to reproduce? Give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is an option in Jira to select that numbering. So use that. So our first is go to movie ticket booking application, select city, select movie from the list, select date you wish to watch. 5 is check out the list of theaters with available timings, select timing, select number of seats you want to book, select the seats from the dashboard and click on pay. Now when you click on pay, the page is getting crashed. It is 500 internal server error with the error in description. So write your expected result first before actual. So expected result is on clicking pay button, user should be navigated to the payment gateway, whereas actual result is on clicking payment gateway, 500 internal server error is shown by the system. You should also write test data which you have used. Let it be, we are taking example of a website, but it can be in an API case or in any case mobile application testing. You will use some test data. So in our case it is city Delhi, movie KGF 2, number of seats 4. So these were our test data. So we have just wrote it down. Okay, if you have any note for developer, so you can write a note there. And when you are writing a note, just bold the NOTE note. So you can place star before and after and it will get converted into bold. Otherwise select and click on B. You will convert that text into the bold. So definitely your prerequisites, steps to reproduce, test data use, expected result, actual result, description, everything you should bold it. Okay. Now the next important thing is, after that description and before test data use, I just missed one thing to say, the error which we have got. Okay. So when we, in actual result, when we say on clicking P button 500 internal server is shown, so the error description you should write, error description, bold it, and after that just don't paste the error as is from the website to the description box. It will give a bad showcase, I would say. So just use a code functionality. So you just go to the drop down and select code, and yeah, from that you will able to paste that error, and when you click out of the description box, the error will be shown very nicely. So we are done with the description box. Then attach screenshots or screencast if you have, using a browse section. Select the assigning dev or dev lead, and definitely whatever components, labels, fixed versions you want to put as per your project, you should do that. Again, a priority, in our case it's a major priority, so do select priority every time, and yeah, log a bug and post it on the channel that I have found a bug and this is a bug, tagging a developer, CCing your test lead. So this is all what I want to convey. I really want you to log a detailed bug every time. Maybe you are in a hurry, its deployment is going and you find a bug and you just written a title, something in expected actual. Don't do that. Invest your time after deployment, but keep the bug attractive, keep the bug understandable. So yeah, do watch my videos if you like my content. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to